Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to be taking out the 3 cedars. You may have heard all the banging going on. That's the carpenters building the next door neighbor's house. Yeah, that really sucks. Not a big fan of neighbors. Okay, so on this, the biggest cedar, the last time I tried, I came in here and I got this little tiny branch cut and found that the saw was way too dull to do it. Now I have a nice sharp chain on there and I'm going to dig my way in here. You got to kind of get most of these lower branches off before you can actually get at the trunk. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop this, limb it, and I'm going to stack it over there and get it all ready to have a bonfire this weekend. And if I have enough time, I'm going to dice up some of this stuff so it's not so long and hanging out of the fire. Don't have too much time, so I'm going to get at it. On this, hey kitty. Well, the tree is cut pretty much all the way through. It started falling and then it's just jammed up in the oak right there. So it's not going to be an easy one. I'm going to have to kitty. I'm going to go get the gator and I'm going to give it a yank and pull it this way and get it out of there. Well, that was far more difficult than I thought it would be. It was growing right up in this opening. Been doing so for years. Lost one branch right there, and I'm sure this will fill right back in now that there's nothing there. Cut was damn near perfect, but it was just pinned up in that tree, and as soon as it came loose it rolled into this, so I had to pull it this way. There was actually no way it could come out because that branch was trapping it going that way, so it had to break that to fall. But there it is. Now I'm going to attack it. I'll start down here, work my way up while that top is holding it up. These cedars take so long to top, I might run out of time. You can see the sun is getting low, and this time of year, once it's that low, it slips out of sight real quick. I don't have all that much left back in here with the big one gone though. So whenever I can get back in here, I might be able to get these two out tonight. We'll see. See how long it takes to get all the branches off this beast. that's about it. Well, I had hoped to get a lot more done today, but that's a lot of wood there. And the whole pulling it with the winch took more time than I planned on. But these are pretty easy. That will fall easy right there. This one might be hooked up a little bit. I might have to pull that one too, but at least it's not as big. And we got a honeysuckle here, invasive species. You can see all that stuff that's green going through there is invasive species. It's all honeysuckle, and I think that's buckthorn right there. Nasty stuff. Gotta go. Okay, tomorrow I am going to get some dry wood and some cardboard and stuff right in that opening right there, and then try to dice up some of this stuff and throw all this stuff on when the fire's gone, get rid of it all and start again. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and make sure you click on the update icon so that you receive updates when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.